This is Spanish 3, Science and Technology, Vocab 31 through 35. I'm going to say the following words in English, then Spanish, and then clap. And after I clap, I'd like you to repeat both the English and the Spanish with me, okay? 31. The male investigator or the male researcher. El investigador. The male investigator or the male researcher. El investigador. 32. Engineer. Ingeniero. Engineer. Ingeniero. 33. Mathematician. Matematico. Mathematician. Matematico. 34. Physicist. Físico. Physicist. Físico. And finally 35. Chemist. Químico. Chemist. Químico. Now, in addition to these 5 words, I want you to notice a pattern here. One of the sub-themes for this list is a person who. Everybody say adore. Adore is a person who. We've seen that. Matar is to kill, a matador is a person who kills. Jugar is to play sports, a jugador is a person who plays sports. Well, ero can also mean a person who. Everybody say mesero. Mesero. Or camarero. Camarero. A mesero or a camarero is a waiter or a person who brings things to your table. Now say eco. Eco. Eco can also mean a person who. Mathematico, a mathematician. Físico, physicist. Químico. So you can see ador, ero, or eco. There are a couple others, but these are the 3 I want to talk about here. Now, obviously, investigar is to investigate, and investigador is a person who investigates. That's not hard. A female researcher would be la investigadora. Engineer, remember, the green letters mean the letters are exactly the same in both Spanish and English, even the same order. So engineer is ingeniero. There are 6 letters that are the same, okay? 6 letters that are the same. Mathematician, matematico. Now remember, mathematicus is mathematics and matematico is mathematician. I see mathematicians every day in my office. Everybody, I see mathematicians every day in my office. Notice the accent mark that says, hey, don't stress the next to last vowel. Don't say matematico, stress me. Matematico. So that's a big arrow saying, this is the vowel to stress. Break the normal rule and stress me. Now, physicist is físico. There is no such thing as a PH in a Spanish word. The word phone, teléfono, has an F. Phonics turns into an F. Physicist turns into an F. So anytime you have a word in English with a PH, just realize it's going to turn into an F if it's Spanish. Okay? Now, notice again the accent mark. It says don't stress the next to last vowel. Don't say físico, stress me, físico. And finally, chemist is químico. Okay? Chemist is químico. I have some questions, CQU, that I'm going to ask the next time I see a chemist. Get it? I have some questions, QU, that I'm going to ask a chemist the next time I see a chemist. So, químico is chemist. All right, let's do our post-quiz. I'm going to cover up the Spanish. Please take a moment or two, look at the English, and say the Spanish equivalents out loud. Or even better, look at the English and write the Spanish equivalents down on a sheet of paper. This has been Spanish 3, Science and Technology, Vocab 31 through 35.